So today we got max speeding rods on board with us. These are, ooh, look at those. Lower control arms for my son's dream car build. This is a 1988 Civic sedan. And we'll be putting these on. Check them out. Oh man, these are nice. Let's check them out of the package real quick. Real good looking and be installing these on his car. Oh, look at that. Alright. Sheesh. Nice bushings. These are way better than stock. Nice and light, too, lightweight. Guys, that's gonna look beautiful and perform great. Thank you, Max Speeding Rods. Let's go.
Recommend and trust Max Speeding Rods.